Where do the stars come from? To understand this, we must learn about the nature of the interstellar matter from which the stars are formed. I am Shweta from Astronera and I welcome you to our course, The Star Stuff. In this lecture, we will learn how the stars are born from the dense and cold nebulae. The space between the stars is not entirely empty. It is filled with thin gas and dust particles. This combination is known as interstellar dust, which is concentrated in the disk of the galaxy. You can see the evidence of this interstellar matter with naked eyes as well. Have you ever observed the Orion constellation? All the stars in this are well defined, except this one. This star looks a little fuzzy, right? Well, it's not a star at all. It's the Orion Nebula. It's a cloud made up of interstellar matter. The stars will mostly form where the interstellar material is relatively dense. The star-forming region of the interstellar medium should be relatively cold because the pressure of the gas goes down as the temperature of the gas decreases. This promotes the stellar formation. You must have seen shooting steam coming out of the pot of boiling water, right? This steam comes out because the air pressure inside the pot increases with the rise of temperature. Similarly, the gases would shoot out if the temperature in the region of interstellar medium is hot, and it won't help the stellar formation. So we want the cold temperature to form the stars, right? Star formation begins in dense and cold nebulae, where the gravitational attraction tends to draw the material together and then a protostar is born. Well, now we have our star born in a nebula. Thousands of stars are born along with it in the same nebula. They are all born in different sizes and masses. The stellar evolution is a vast topic. To understand this, the classification of the stars is crucial. So, how this classification of the stars was done? Let's find out in the next lecture.